The first step is to click this send button. Then you choose what currency you want to withdraw. For example, I will choose USDT. I like to use Binance Smart Chain because it's one of the biggest ones, but still has very low fees. So let me now withdraw money. First step is to copy paste the address here. I go to my BYBIT app and I click here deposit. Then I click here deposit crypto and then I choose here USDT. Keep in mind that the same process works also for other wallets and exchanges. And now an important thing is to choose the correct network, and in this case we were talking about Binance Smart Chain, so I choose this one because if you choose a wrong one you may lose your funds. Then I copied the address, it says copied successfully. I come to my SafePal wallet, I click here paste. Then I can choose how much money I want to withdraw. I choose here 10 USDT. I click here next and here it shows the details, and now you need to double check 3 things. First, you double check that you are withdrawing the right coin, in this case USDT. Then you double check the address, so where you are sending money to. And third, you double check the network, in this case Binance Smart Chain. Once you have checked those 3 things, you are ready to click here send. I verify my fingerprint. Transfer is completed. We will come back when the withdrawal has gone through.
A few moments later.
You can see here the proof from my SafePal account that 10 USDT has left, and here is the screenshot that BYBIT sent me. I have received the 10 USDT using the Binance Smart Chain. Now from BYBIT you are able to withdraw to your bank, but you can also directly use the money in real life. For example, using BYBIT card you can directly go to grocery stores, restaurant, bookstore, whatever you want to buy, you can buy with your BYBIT card. And there are also many other benefits, including the best welcome rewards for our YouTube subscribers. And that's why I encourage you to join BYBIT as well. I will leave you a link in the description right here.